Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel. I'm Showe the Jelili. This video I'm using it to answer the question of most of my people that do ask Mr. Jelili, how much do I need to start up LPG cooking gas business right here in Nigeria 2026? Now let's dive into the video, not to waste much of our time. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more business tips, more business video, how to make money right here in Nigeria. So number one thing you need to start up this cooking gas business right here in Nigeria, you need a 50 kg cylinder. And this 50 kg cylinder, you'll be needing at least two pieces of 50 kg cylinder to start up this business, because when you refill the two, your mind will be at rest that you have gas down. Because when customer come, when you are refilling with the first bottle and it's almost finished, and during the process of filling to customer, the gas finished, so it will not disappoint you. You will switch to the other cylinder, then you go and refill the empty cylinder. So in this case, you will need at least two 50 kg cylinder to start up this small scale business right here in 2026. A cylinder now costs within 200,000 to 220,000 right here. Is now expensive. It's now expensive. I don't know why. Is it because of the dollar? Is it because of people are rushing it? Now a 50 kg cylinder is around 20,000 to 220,000 naira in Lagos right here now. Then the second thing you'll be needing is a digital weighing scale. You need a digital weighing scale, at least a minimum of 100 kg, and this costs nothing less than a standard one Camry, which is Camry, costs nothing less than 90 to 100,000 and above. Let's say within 90,000 to 100,000, you need a digital scale, a minimum of 100 kg. The price range is within 90,000 to 100,000 naira. So furthermore, you need an industrial filling hose. You need industrial filling hose to transfer gas from one cylinder to another cylinder. You need an industrial standard confirmed filling hose. That one cost you around 12,000 to 15,000 naira. 12,000 to 15,000 naira. This industrial filling hose is UT. I will show you on the screen here. UT industrial filling hose. You need that one to do your transfer, because that industrial refilling hose, the black hose is very standard and is very safe to use than the other white one that people do use before. That black hose is a standard one and is very durable to use. So aside from the hose, you now need some refilling material like 2-in-1 filling head. You will now need standard filling head. These two materials, I will show you on the screen. These two materials will cost you nothing less than 10 to 15,000 naira. Within 10 to 15,000 naira. So that comes to the end of this video. Go and do your calculation. So if you are starting small scale gas refilling business right here in Nigeria now, you know the cylinder is around 220 and the scale is around 100,000. 220 times 2, that is 440, plus 100,000, 540, plus the hose, which is around 12 to 15,000 naira, plus the standard and 2-in-1 transfer head that you will need. You calculate it together and you also calculate the money you used to buy at least 50 kg of LPG inside the two cylinder. And if you are buying 50 kg of LPG inside the two cylinder, at least one 50 kg now cost you almost like, let's say, 48 to 47, 48 to 50,000. So you budget like close to 100,000 for the two LPG that you are buying inside the cylinder. So go and do your calculation very well, and you know how much you are starting with to start up the small scale cooking gas business. If you have any question or any comments, on this topic, try and drop the comments in the comment section below.